Hypnotism for Beginners, written by British master hypnotist John Wilson Green, a practicing hypnotist since 1974, of both comedy stage hypnosis and clinical hypnotherapy. This book is like a mini course, written in layman's language to help speed up your hypnotic skills. With this book, you own the power to hypnotize even the most strong-willed, stubborn people. Amaze your friends and family with your newfound hypnotic skills. Learn how and why hypnosis works. By the time you have read this book, you will have learned stage hypnosis, self-hypnosis, and clinical hypnotherapy. Described as a page-turner, this book contains 134 pages of golden information to fast-track you to becoming a competent hypnotist. Don't let this terrific opportunity pass you by. Go straight to Amazon Books and order Hypnotism for Beginners by John W. Green. Available on Amazon worldwide, or click the link below.